Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and fix the error code ground in Minecraft. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside your Minecraft application right here, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to first restart the application. So you could just go ahead and hold click the PS button and make sure to go ahead and close the application from your PlayStation. And if that doesn't work, the second thing to do now is to go ahead and completely sign out of Minecraft right here. Now to do that, you want to head over to the settings right here, and inside your system settings, you want to scroll down until you came across general, or it can be on your account. In my case, I have it inside my account right here, and inside the section right here, you want to go ahead and click on the sign out of your Microsoft account, and right after, just go ahead and sign in your account. And still, if this doesn't work, the next thing that you could go ahead and do now that will totally fix the problem for you guys is to go ahead and completely uninstall your Minecraft game. This will ensure that you will go ahead and remove the corrupted game files that is installed within your game, and it will also go ahead and update your game to the latest version. So just go ahead and do that, and hopefully that can fix the problem. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.